In today's video, we'll be going over the phone button layout of your Grandstream GRP2615. Let's get started. On the front of your phone, you'll find the hard keys. These include the navigation keys, volume, redial, speakerphone, mute, headset, transfer, hold, and voicemail. Below the screen are your soft keys, which change depending on what you're doing. For example, during a call, you'll see options like answer, reject, and forward appear there for your soft keys. On both sides of the screen are your programmable buttons. These can be customized for features such as extensions, speed dial, or call park. And that's it for today's video tutorial on the phone button layout for your new Grandstream GRP2615. Keep watching the next video in this series to learn more about programmable buttons, pages, and navigation.